Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to show you a very important video. I'm going to show you how to debloat Windows 11. Since its release, Windows 11 has been adding many unnecessary features, apps, and services which you can't easily remove. It has become a very bloated operating system, so today I'm going to show you a quick and easy method to debloat it. Let's go to Google and search for WinUtil by Chris Titus and go to the official GitHub repository. Scroll down and you will see screenshots showing what this utility does. This needs to be run as an administrator. So copy this line, right-click on the Start menu, open Terminal as administrator, paste the line, and press Enter. This should automatically launch the utility. As you can see, it looks neat and clean. You can switch between dark mode and light mode, and you can increase the font size in the top right-hand corner. This utility has a lot of options, but we will mainly focus on Windows Debloat, and we will start with the Tweaks section. At the top of Tweaks, there are two sections, Essential Tweaks and Advanced Tweaks. Please be careful, as many of these tweaks will heavily modify your system. The recommended selections are safe for normal users, and if you are unsure, do not check anything else. When you hover your mouse over each option, it tells you what it does. Essential tweaks are generally safe to apply. Create a restore point first, that's very important. If anything goes wrong, you can revert back. Next, delete temporary files, disable activity history, disable consumer features, and disable Explorer automatic folder discovery, which can speed things up. Disable hibernation. If you use hibernation, don't select it, but if you don't use it, you can disable it. Disable location tracking. Disable PowerShell 7 telemetry. Disable telemetry and enable the End Task option with right-click on the taskbar. When you right-click the taskbar, you will have a small utility to end tasks. Remove widgets, run disk cleanup, and then set services to manual so most services do not run automatically. Now be cautious with the advanced tweaks. These can heavily influence your system, so you need to be careful and think before you select them. I don't use Adobe or any Razor software, so I'm going to select those. In your case, if you use any of that software, do not select them. Disable full screen optimization could cause issues, so leave that enabled. Disable IPv6 unless you use it, otherwise leave it enabled. Disable Microsoft Copilot if you don't want to use it. Disable notifications to calendar. If you use it, then leave it enabled. Disable the store if you don't use it. Disable Edge if you don't use it. Prefer IPv4 over IPv6. Remove Microsoft apps. I would personally leave them enabled. Remove Home and Gallery from File Explorer. I would personally leave them enabled. I would personally remove OneDrive. I leave Microsoft Edge as a backup browser, but if you don't want it, you can remove it. Remove Xbox and gaming components if you don't use Xbox gaming features, and leave everything else as it is. Double-check everything before applying. Once you've done that, click on Run Tweaks. It will start processing and should only take a few minutes. Disk cleanup might take a little longer. As you can see, the tweaks are finished. You can now safely close the utility, and that is the best and easiest way to debloat Windows 11. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing it.